Hello and welcome to this video. Today's video is dedicated to all bicycle lovers. It is always very thrilling when we go places riding bicycle in our town, village or city. Walking or riding bike makes us feel more connected with the nature and our surroundings. It is also true we cannot go places which are too far away to go on a bike. Still, bike is a very preferred way to commute for people who love to explore locally. According to different research surveys all over the world, riding a bike regularly improves cardiovascular fitness, concentration, muscle strength, and helps in reducing body fat. It also helps in lowering down stress levels and improved mental health. We all have faced some common challenges while riding a bike, related to some kind of mechanical problem with the bike or a bike breakdown. When we face such challenges, we might start thinking to carry few tools while riding the bike, which is also not feasible every time we go out for biking. Many governments around the world have taken this fact into the consideration, and they have come up with better safety rules and quick help stations to support the bikers community. Bike Fixit is one of such 24 help stations installed by Austin Parks and Recreation Department at various places within the city. These stations are for public use without any charges to be paid. These stations are equipped with all the tools necessary to execute basic repairs and maintenance of your bike. The station is equipped with tamper-proof screws, and the tools are secured with stainless steel aircraft cables. You can find different size wrenches and screwdrivers here. These are very useful when you want to perform minor fixes like tightening the brakes, pedals, or adjusting the handlebar of your bike. To make it more comfortable, you can hang your bike on the hanger arms, which has durable covers to protect bikes from scratches. There is also a bike pump attached with the station. I am though not looking to top up my bike tires, but let's have a look how it works. When we get so much of support free of cost for biking, how about riding it regularly and staying fit, physically and mentally? This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Take care. Until the next time.